In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock your Facebook Marketplace in 2025. If you found yourself locked out of Facebook's Marketplace feature, don't worry. I'm here to guide you through unlocking it step by step. First, let's dive into understanding your account status by visiting Facebook's Account Quality section. To do this, go to facebook.com/account quality. This website is your go-to for checking if there's a restriction on your marketplace access. It also lets you know if you're eligible to request a review. While you're at it, be sure to check your support inbox or help center messages to uncover why the restriction might have occurred. Before you proceed, make sure you meet some basic requirements like being over 18, having a valid location, ensuring your profile is complete, and confirming you haven't made any major policy violations. These factors can heavily influence your eligibility for marketplace access. Now, if your account's under review or restriction, here's how to request a review. This is the most reliable path to regain access. Preferably using a desktop browser, revisit Account Quality. Should you find a marketplace restriction, click on the Request Review or Appeal button if it appears. Fill out the form with care, focusing on providing clear information. If you don't see an appeal button, try this. Explore any buy and sell or marketplace group within the Facebook app. Many users have reported finding a blue Request Review button there. While not guaranteed, it's an often effective workaround. Be ready to substantiate your request with evidence. This might include a concise explanation, screenshots, or order details if a buyer complaint caused your ban. Remember, the key is to stay factual and avoid ranting. Sometimes, Facebook may request identification to confirm your identity. If this happens, follow the secure upload instructions on Account Quality, as this has been known to quickly lift restrictions once verified. What if your first appeal doesn't go through, or you don't receive a response? Revisit the Account Quality section and your support inbox for further steps. You can only submit another review if you have new evidence to present. Additionally, if you use Facebook Business Tools, attempting a connection through Meta Business Support might offer you more visibility. But whatever you do, avoid creating a new account to bypass the ban, as this could complicate matters. In situations where you're appealing, a helpful tip is using a concise and clear appeal message. Start with a short reason you believe the restriction is a mistake and attach relevant screenshots or proofs like IDs if needed. Enhance your profile by including your real name, profile photo, and two-factor authentication. This helps to secure your account, particularly if suspicious activity flagged your profile. Common restriction reasons include violating commerce policies, suspicious activities like large location changes or numerous edits, and unsafe transactions. Identifying and addressing these issues can aid in your appeal process. Expect resolutions to occur anywhere from a few days to a week post-appeal or identity verification. However, timelines can vary, so patience is key. As a last resort, if every attempt fails, continue to appeal politely and provide thorough documentation, especially if you've incurred financial loss or used paid ads. Armed with these steps and insights, you should be in a strong position to unlock your Facebook Marketplace access effectively. Good luck, and I hope this guide has been helpful.